Wabananka speech from the BCYA cabinet. That speech would be given by the secretary, Wala Agutwong. Wala inyale tarit, bugu yinda pingru rekul chirukule. Despite whatsoever happened in the line of duty, Pandora Miyamwe, Jenny Dana Chirukana. So you're most welcome, Chairman.
Chairman.
Permit me a little to recognize the Minister Michael McQuay, the Minister of Information and Technology, and again is the chairperson of Greater Bor. And allow me to recognize the chairperson of Bor Community, Dr. Amon Poltir. Permit me to recognize the incoming leadership, engineer, our mayor, and protocol men observe. Kitwe nganchi beja maret. Kaloye kule keramiz tukul with ball. Tone jamad wachi. You know. Kakitwe ngaloy ake chola lech. Ina bayen. Ke chol with ball. Anto gogotim to Juba. Ball outside the country. For the last 2 months, and Ethiopian and incident I came to from the month of December to January. Up to now, and recovering very well, and you can call you when you need it. Wait a long and what an entire message for. Usai pai tiang arete gite. Wait along. Wait in metao. Kre leren bor eye kre bor community. Jene gela loy. It was very unfortunate then that delay. So I can Mikelai and Chinele Jabo going. So we are galay. More waiting in the Chirikane. Kre number 2. Balloting. Only I want to make some 2 corrections. Rin Chacha being the NHL one, Ajakguong Chath, KBCY Secretary General. And I'm representing Chairman Council Opera Yuan in absentia Benwar outside the country, where we travel in the Miadurela Bor. So more Kwamipio, Ekaloi, Loige Kole. Correction Yagalwell Gakar Bagaloi. A position more dictator Munkwaltir, a chairboard county chairperson, a board community chairperson. Can you make it clear from today, Korba, and we recognize, make sure you call him the chairman of board community, a chair county. 2. BCYA. BCYA stands for Bor Community Youth Association, Achia County. So those 2 corrections, make sure that I get corrected. Where journalists could get our media off. Get your balloting. Koga Juiragana. Chi Angao. The IC chairman, Chiloy Londi, the Chiloy, most of us are Koi Kenyan. So in and out, Moi Chintin Lochirgane, Elone Chibai, Chitas Chintin. So one Yamin, Fulundaloy, excellent. 2, I call Chath Kenyan. And I call BCY executive Bogan. Ato Jennifer Dudu Majur Ato Deputy CAC Secretary General Dudu Baranyok 2 Ato Ngong Magoga advisor for resource and mobilization. In Ngong and Anong resource mobilization dun Korbeloy, you make sure Ngong Magog. 3 Wato Secretary of Finance, Atotong Walk, Regional Secretary for Finance. Can you deputy there? Atoban. Last and not the least, what are the cake? Internal affairs, of which a community safety. We in incoming share a car banang a relationship when they are here. Kage Loy, Jubatane, Chakaka Mutamango. I correct. So I want you banang a connection when he in Alia, Dengalia, Levagaga, Guana Levagaloy. Look at this Timanwa Lewaragang in this function below. Ayan Quancho. Nachi yen kuliu ka function chirigana achira loy. So kane kega kok e bokane kane en. Kaya ka banwa jaw. Our challenges. Man yen kere student. Challenge when dio ekere resources. Yin akuma dua kuma jadid kuinche loy. So you may challenge a grade. The first thing back law in the office now law you make sure this executive child we are paying a child member. So now pay any meeting by law kumuka bilatin in so make sure the resources back mobilized properly, all the executive registered with fees. I tell you. Okay, ban way go okay, chol. Come on, anyway, university student. And now get your leverage positive genius. Go away, student. Any challenge, but something positive in your life. Go away, executive with your incoming share. You can ayal velaya. Cracker. Okay, your use of connection. Use of personal relation a university kujala lewetomia very important. Intel law in the office based on your how you ride or how you get first class degree or second class degree. How is connection you are, how active you are. So I am advising you go incoming leadership to use your connectivity, use your personal relationship to get wherever you are going. So like a way up to this juncture can be coach 10 rin gaun kwa kujang